Alright traders, today is 24th of March 2020. We are now live day trading WTI crude oil we are now live day trading for Russell 2000, E-Mini Russel 2000 for the micro account. So at this moment we are on the short sell position. So based from my live Telegram channel over here. Yes, based from my live Telegram channel over here. Russell already filled. Okay, Russell already fill, but for E-Mini I think also fill. Let's take a look for a while. Need to check on the chart, but for Russell it looks good at this moment. We are on the positive side, so I'm expecting for the market to go for the TP targeted area at maybe around 6 points below or 7 points below should be a good one. So it should be enough. Let's take a look back on the chart and let's queue to the price where it's supposed to be 10.51. I believe this one is good enough. 10.51.50 somewhere here. Then I will queue my profit target over there. Is it too short? I need to check back the chart, so give me a while. Alright, so let's okay, so here is the chart. Is it okay? I think it's better for us to exit. Okay, now the price reverse back. It's a little bit funny at this moment. So the target to be down somewhere there if the price remain. I mean for the right one is the Russell 2000, the middle one is NQ, and the left one is E-Mini S&P futures. Okay, E-Mini S&P futures already hit, already fill, and the lowest is 41. So let's take a look if we hit the target. Okay, looks good. What's the target? 42. Yeah, we hit. Alright. Okay, so for my trade almost hit the TP area. Let's take a look back. Okay, almost hit. So we didn't catch much. It will be a quick one. Okay, we hit. So we already exit the market, and that's it for today. So I will resume this video for another video. So this is a quick $29. So for normal standard account, it will be $290 in profit. So about 6 points or 7 points. I'm not sure. Let's take a look on the field. Yes, 6 points, around 6 points. So 6 by 4, 24 ticks. So 60 ticks for Russell is 60 ticks. Sometimes quite confused about the indexes counting, but looks good. We hit the TP area, so we exit the market already. And let's inform the other traders. Okay, Russell hit TP. Oh yeah. So for this yes, also hit TP. Oh yeah. Okay, so both hit TP, so this will be a quick one. So if you are trading at a standard account, should be a lot. I think around 600 for this trade. So for this one 6 by 5 300, and this one also around 300, also around 500 to 600. It's a good profit for if you're using the normal trading account, but because of her current situation, the margin is very expensive. The broker already increased the margin, so it's very hard for us to go with the mini account, and for me I just go to with the micro account. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe this channel, like, share, comment, and ask me anything if you interested. There's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Thank you. Bye bye.